Welcome to Figure District. Today, our guest is Chainsaw Man, accompanied by his trusty friend, Pochita. Let's start with the packaging. The front features a large window that teases the figure inside. Left and right side display the size 1/7 scale and name in English and Japanese. On the back, you'll see a full-size image, while the bottom prints warnings and product detail. The top shows the name in both languages simultaneously. Next, move on to the unboxing. Inside, you'll find the base, Pochita, both of Chainsaw Man's arms, and the main figure itself. It's time for assembly. Although most of the figure is pre-assembled, a few simple steps remain. Carefully align the parts, its connections are tight. A bit of force may be needed to fully insert them in place. Now dimensions. The box measures 27.7 centimeters wide, 36.8 centimeters long, and 39.5 centimeters tall, weighing 2,226 grams. The figure itself is 24.1 centimeters wide, 25.6 centimeters long, and stands 28.1 centimeters tall, weighing 1,089 grams. Pochita measures 3.8 centimeters wide, 6.5 centimeters long, and 6.8 centimeters tall, weighing 45 grams. Pochita is an orange, dog-like devil with a chainsaw blade protruding from his forehead. The handles on his back and side are clearly defined, and his short tail takes the shape of a chainsaw's pull cord. The base is designed to evoke the intense atmosphere of the Chainsaw Man universe. It depicts zombies and devils scattered in chaotic fashion, as if captured in the midst of a battle. The surfaces mix deep reds and dark grays, creating the illusion of blood-slicked ground and decaying flesh. Splattered blood, ragged clothing details, and uneven textures add a gritty, realistic touch. And finally, the Chainsaw Man figure captures Denji in hybrid form, standing atop the base. His signature chainsaw head, complete with large, sharp teeth, is sculpted with meticulous attention to detail. A blood-red gradation along the chainsaw components intensifies his battle-worn look. His clothing, marked with blood splatters on his arms and shirt, heightens the figure's raw intensity. The large chainsaw arms, smeared with demon residue, along with his black pants, tie, and white shoes with red stripes, stained with blood, complete the fierce dynamic appearance. Don't forget, the box also includes a background accessory that you can use to enhance your Chainsaw Man display. In conclusion, the Chainsaw Man Shibuya Scramble Figure is a fantastic collectible. With its impressive detailing, fierce pose, and bonus Pochita for added charm. If you enjoyed meeting Chainsaw Man, be sure to check back soon for our next guest. Please hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.